Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and I have another great AOC monitor. So a massive thank you to AOC who keep on supplying the monitors on the channel. So this is from their G1 series gaming. So you can really expand your world, it says there. The official model number is AOC CQ32G1. It's a 32-inch gaming monitor. The actual measurable size of this is actually 31.5. It's a curved monitor. It has a QHD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440. Next to that is AMD FreeSync technology. This is where it will automatically adjust your GPU alongside the monitor to give you the best possible gaming experience. It has a wide viewing angle and it is a VA panel. It offers 144Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and that is MPRT, compared to GTG, which is grey to grey. As you can see, it's black in colour with hints of red that we know from AOC. So let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like set up. So it's going to be connected to my Xbox One X for gaming and the PS4 Pro. Then also it's going to be connected to my MacBook Pro for my productivity and social media use that I need to do every day. So before we get it unboxed, there's some information on here how to unpack correctly so you don't damage yourself or damage the display. Please take a minute to look at this, then also slide along over to the other side. It also shows you then how to connect up to your equipment and other peripheral devices. So I'm just going to take your time to have a look at this, get it out of the box, and I'll show you all the contents that is inside. So taking all our contents out of the box, let's see what we get inside with our monitor. So first of all, you're going to get a DisplayPort to DisplayPort connection cable here. So I'm going to actually be using a Thunderbolt to DisplayPort for my setup. You also got a UK 3-pin plug here with a sort of kettle end connection that goes straight into the display. You've got this nice funky triangular designed sort of stand here. So you have the column here that will connect your monitor to the stand and to the back of the monitor, and you can see where it connects with this square panel. Then also you have a HDMI to HDMI cable. I will most probably use a bit better quality one with my Xbox and the PlayStation one, as these are just normal, quite standard cables that are sent out with a monitor. Then finally you've got CD that will have drivers and manuals, depending on if you need to install them, and a little bit of paperwork. Nice and simple and very easy. So what we're going to do is connect our column and our stand together first of all. So in the middle of our stand there, you can see that little screw that you'll use underneath. So it has two chunky teeth that will go in here. Connect them in, so lock into place, and then turn around and use the screw that is there. You can either tighten this up by hand if you're really strong, or you can tighten up by a screwdriver. Choice is yours, but normally most of mine that I've tightened up by hand has actually been okay. As it is a large panel, I'm going to put a little bit of effort in there. There are rubberized feet, which is really good, so it means it won't actually destroy your desk, which is nice and handy. We can stand that up now, and you can see again with these teeth where it connects into the back of your monitor. So I'm going to move this out of the way. We'll bring in our display and I'll have a quick look at that, connect it up, and we're all done and ready to go. So be careful when you're laying your monitor down, as you don't want to damage this, as it does have a curve, so make sure you don't put no pressure in the middle section here. And like I said, it is black with the hints of red around the side and on the front, which we know from AOC, and I actually like that aspect of just having a hint of colour. This is your main connection panel here. This does have a VESA connection as well, so you can use a VESA mount if you so wish to, and if you don't want to use a column and the stand. But let's just turn it up slightly here. You can look at our ports. So taking a look at our ports here, you've got two HDMI connections and one DisplayPort connection. Then also you have here your power connection. Also, when looking down here, there is also a Kensington lock, so you can lock down your system. And then also, I can just show you here, we don't have a joystick control. There are tactile buttons that you can use, which do have a good feel to them actually, and a quite good amount of space next to them. So lay this back down, let me bring in the column and the stand. So line them two teeth up at the top and then push down, but don't push too hard because you don't want to, like I said, push that curve in the display. There is a little button here, which I'll just show you again. So there is a little button here that you press to release this. So align your two teeth again and just show you once more. Push down, lock in, and that is secure now. So all that's left to do now is sit our monitor up, turn it around, connect it up to your peripheral devices depending on what you want to connect it to, and I'll come back when I've done that and show you what else this monitor can offer. So our monitor is all set up here and ready to go. So I didn't notice on the back, and I do apologise for that, there is a headphone jack which gives you your main source of output of audio. So it's very annoying. You've got a great panel here that has loads of big ticks in it, for me especially, a really high quality resolution, a high quality hertz rate, refresh rate of 144 Hz, 1 millisecond response time, but then no audio. That's a little bit frustrating. Okay, yes, you can add audio in via the 3.5 headphone jack, and I understand that. They've gone for this absolutely three-sided frameless design as well that looks gorgeous. And there's just a little bit of a letdown, but otherwise it's impressive. I'm playing it on the Xbox One X here, so that means it's going to be more enhanced and ready to go. So the monitor does look beautiful from every single angle. It is set up, it is ready to go. If you have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help. But this monitor just seems to offer so much, and it just lacks one little thing with the audio, which isn't a problem. I can put on my headphones there. You can hear the audio coming through. It does visually look absolutely stunning. I can't wait to delve in and really get into the Division 2 on this from Ubisoft and Tom Clancy. That looks phenomenal. And I'm going to be playing that on the PlayStation 4 Pro. So I will bring you some gaming as well to let you know. But this has been the unboxing and setup of the AOC CQ32G1. If you do have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching. Please give the video a like and also subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all my latest news, reviews and unboxings. For me, Ricky, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.